This basketball and volleyball court resurfacing project took place on the amazing island of Virgin Gorda in the BVI. Virgin Gorda is only about 8 square miles in size, but it is home to some of the most amazing beaches in the world, as well as the world-renowned Baths National Park that has huge granite boulders stacked right on the beaches. Virgin Gorda is also home to North Sound, also known as Billionaire's Playground, and a world-renowned anchorage for the world's largest mega yachts and 5-star resorts, making the island a must-see when visiting the BVI. Our commute from the island of Tortola was a short 30-minute ferry ride over daily and a quick 5-minute drive to the construction site, where we were met with a concrete slab topped with an asphalt coating, and lastly finished off with a failed acrylic coating that had seen better days after enduring Hurricane Irma in 2017 and many years of use. Our first task was to remove the existing acrylic coating, which was thankfully a very easy process as the bond to the asphalt was very weak. We used a blast track VCT tile remover machine, then a scarifier machine, and a surface cleaner, which took us approximately 3 days to remove all the material and repair all the cracks with a high-strength repair mortar and clean the surface. We then outlined the low-lying areas on the court with spray paint, a laser level, and string in order to determine how much material was required to make the sport court surface more level for regular use prior to installing the finished coating. We then filled the low-lying areas with black granular 100% recycled rubber from old truck tires and mixed it with a urethane glue while leveling it using a long galvanized bar and hand trowels. Once all the demo, crack repair, cleaning, and leveling was completed, we started to install the finished coat of rock and rubber, starting with the keys, which was a blue EPDM rubber and a black blend of granular stone. We also had to maintain a reasonable ambient surface temperature that allowed for a slower cure of the binding glue, because extreme heat would have caused the material to cure too fast, which would have created issues for the travelers during the installation. We reduced the ambient surface temperature by building a shade covering, which reduced the temperature by about 30 degrees Fahrenheit over a 20-minute window. This high-performance coating system was purchased from Rubber Stone Global, located in Canada, and we have been installing it for several years now with great success in the harsh Caribbean climates. This basketball court was resurfaced with 90% recycled and naturally mined materials. If you want to get more information on their products, comment down below or check out their website at www.coveryourugly.com.